Good morning, February 20th, 2023. February. All right, another day. Let's say there's the hour chart. I got something I'll show you here in a second. What up? Okay, get that set up. Couple more minutes here. Oh, that's right. Ticker. Apex, I think it's probably 50% off. I don't know. I haven't even looked. Let's just go with that. Actually, let me fix that. Okay, Apex funding 50% off $40 resets, which I just did one. It worked. That's good enough. All right. Let's get out of there. All right, there's the hour chart. And it's my quality. Yeah, 1060, all right. All right, about a 4-second lag, not bad. Okay, here's the hour chart, and what I was looking at this morning was if you go like this, looks like it's kind of looking like a flag. And the reason why I say that is if I look at this, say, well, we were actually kind of in this area here, so we could be a little breakout, right? Because one could say, well, maybe something like that. Something like that. We were just in this range. And now maybe we busted out. You know, this could even be a little bit lower. You know, something like that. You can see we retested it, but maybe we're going to retest again right here. Retest it a couple times. So as long as we stay above that, we should be a little bullish. If we drop back down in, then we're back down in it. So as I was looking at that, I said, okay, it's not bad. Then I said, well, this is kind of looking a little flaggish, right? And if I put a little chart or a little trend on here, what's that going to do? Now, if I did something like that, and then I went to here and I said, well, I always usually like to hook it up with something. So I started going in here saying, well, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, that doesn't work. And I came down here and said, oh, what do you know? That works pretty well. And I also like this is the 50% of the trend. So we kind of held here, we held here, we held here. So again, as long as we hold this 50% of this channel, well then I'm thinking long, right? Besides that, we were at the top here, came down to the middle, almost got to the top, came down to the middle, went to the top, came down to the middle, so we'll go to the top and break out? I don't know. So that's going to be my thought. Right now we're kind of in the central pivot range, so we bust out above that, which is 217, which we tried a couple times, which I think we'll do it. Get out there, then we'll have some free reign, about 50 points to get up here before we get into a bear zone. So, yep, that's what I'm liking. I think so. Okay, so here's the 15-minute chart. These gold little brackets here are 15-minute peaks and stuff. So like I like this one here. I kind of like this one, but came to the top here, would have been a really small one, and then a really small one, so I just kind of combined them. So I think there'll be, we'll have to bust up above 235, so there could be some resistance in here. And they could probably just blow right through this too. It's nothing. So if I look over to the left, which, you always look to the left, there's just a lot of garbage in here. So we just got to work our way through it. That's all. And then coming up here, we'd have to work our way through it. Again, more garbage. You can see right in here, you can put a little box through all this garbage. So either we get some news and we blast right through everything, or we just kind of meander and kind of grind up. So that's that. All right. Let me put my timers on so I know where I'm at. Otherwise I'll forget. Good morning. Oh, my timers aren't going to come up. What's up? There we go. So I'll just do the open since stream time is already lapsed. Top chat. What the fuck? Do live chat. Okay. So that's where I'm at. 5-minute chart. Not much to report. Just to grind up. Here we are, central pivot range. It's only about 8 points. And so that means we could have a trend day today. Potential trend day today. We'll see. Trend up, trend down. Don't really care. Just want a trend. Two-minute chart. I'll throw the 2-minute strategy up there. I won't play it, but pre, high, and low. There we go. Okay, that's all good. Right now we're trending pretty much, well, the 2-minute went down. Or what? Yeah. Oh. Well, 2 minutes, there we go. 2 minutes up, 3 minutes up, 4 or 5, 15, and then the 60 is down still. So I'm anticipating obviously upward momentum, hopefully. Oh, that's about it. Good morning, Michael. There we go. Oh. Sometimes I look at my charts and I see a big old candle like this, and then I realize, oh, that's only freaking, well, it's 10 points. It's still pretty good size, but it's because we were in such a range. I usually have my charts at 10 points. But here's the London high up here at 22,208.75. Midnight open, you can see was some support here earlier this morning at 22,176.50. Looks like we tested it twice and bounced. So, okay, I gotta get rid of this. So, a couple things to watch for. Watch this midnight open, 22,176.50. And then, other than that, we could take out the lows down here at 22,140. But we're kind of moving upward. So, I mean, these guys are pointing more to the up than into the down. So, why is my bar timer disconnected there? Make sure all the bar timers are working. They get a little confused sometimes. I did find out how to get rid of global data. That's why this 60-minute chart looks so clean. And there's a little setup in here that you can change right here. Show global draw objects. And turn that off and voila. I've been looking at that for years. Never thought to just ask the question. So that means I can have a nice clean chart if I want on any particular chart with no crap on it. These are the 4-hour fair value gaps, so they show up a little nicer. We're kind of going through a sell one right here that started this morning, or actually last night, looks like. So there might be a little bit of pressure right here to start. We'll see. All right, 2 minute. Oh, almost getting to be the 2-minute warning. So I think we have you kind of have something like this. Something to watch out for. All right, get ready to go. So as long as we stay above the bottom, 22,209, if we start closing candles below that, then I start to get a little bearish. And then if we get them above 217, then I get a little bullish. So that's kind of my thinking this morning. So I'll let it play out. I will play the 1 minute. Yeah, I'll play the open somewhere a little bit. See how it works today. I'm either going to win 700 or I'm going to lose 400. That's the kind of the gamble. I think I'm all right with that. All right, 30 seconds. Getting excited. This guy's running around, let's say 04. So about 12 points. I kind of like that. All right, good luck, everybody. Make sure you have everything set up right, which I kind of went over everything like 10 times to hopefully be set up correctly. All right, here we go. And we're off. We're off. Okay. Don't know if I like this open or not. We're struggling. I'm going to drop my stops down. Here we go. I think long's the way to go. It just wasn't very clean. Equals 7. Yeah, that was the right play then. Okay, we're just kind of scoping things out here. And there it goes down to the downside, huh? You couldn't take that. Kind of got jerked around both ways here. But I think I still like the longs. But let's see. All right, so it was a short. I just couldn't hold out for that much. Just couldn't do it. All right, so now I got to play. Looks like the short might be a good play. I could have taken it up there at 0.3. Darn it. I got a little interrupted there for a slight second. Yep, that 0.3 would have been it. Come up and back tested the, looks like the 9 EMA. Below VWAP, coming into the bull zone, which is around 172. So I got a little makeup to do. But I gotta wait for an entry. So now I'm gonna look for a little stutter step. May get it here on right in here somewhere. Problem is it's flat for that one. So right around 181, and it looks like I'm only gonna get like 9 points. Gosh. Didn't catch it, darn it. Could have jumped in after VWAP or the break of 200. Probably would have been my only opportunities, but I'm trying to not do those trades. Good morning, Jason. All right, so I'm looking for a little stutter step here. See if we can get a little flag or something going. Good 5-minute candle. There's the midnight open. That's where we bounced earlier this morning twice. Okay, we got the London low way down here. Well, not way down there, but down to 140. So about a 40-pointer. I don't know if we can get down there. I do like this right here, which is it's actually the this is the midnight open, as well as then you got bull zone here. So we could definitely see some support, a bounce here. Looks like that's what we're getting. See if we can get back above VWAP. And then move back above 200. What are you thinking, Jason? Long? Short? All right, trying to get it back above that 200. Let's see if they can do it. Back below VWAP. And they're going to hold it, looks like. Come back down, I'll take that short. You're trying to get stay below VWAP. I just don't know if they can. The guys want to push it up. There's an old saying, if you're below VWAP, you should be short. But we bounced right off that bull zone, and it looks like it's going to hold. Sit on my hands here, wait for a few minutes. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I got 6 seconds on this 5 minute. We jump back above 200. I think we can go long there. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to try that. Bring her on up. See if we can break out to the highs. Got to get back up through CPR, which starts at 22,209 up to 22,017, call it. But first we got to stay above. So we've broken above my little favorite little numbers. And now we just got to stay above it. Trying to get above the 1 minute weighted moving average, which is kind of going sideways. Which is never a good sign. Okay, I'll try to stay in this trade if I can. We could come down to back down to 2200 or 200. That would be a 1 minute gap fill. I think they want to try to keep it above that 1 minute weighted, I would think, though. There we go. Yeah, if we drop that, I don't like it. The short could come into effect. Come on, baby. Hold above that. There we go. Okay, we just got to get above CPR now. So CPR, like I said, was 09. You got your daily pivot at 13. See what happens there. And then you got the upper one at 17. What we want to see is a push up. 15 minutes looking a little ugly. I'd like to see a little bit of color on him. Ideally, it'd be great for him to get within the next minute, 2 minutes, get above 17, but it doesn't look like it's going to. No. Okay, so 15-minute opening range breaks are now set. Minutes got how much? So you got another minute on that guy. Okay. There you go. Damn it, broke through that trend line at 95. Back down to bull zone. Yeah, that 15-minute closed pretty strong to the downside. Oop, couldn't get out. Tried to get out. Come on, push back up real quick. Good entry there at 83. Darn it. Okay, we got the opening range low there, or the opening range break at 164. Five minutes closed its gap on the upside. Good potential for continuation to the downside. I'm going to try one. Oop, missed it. 64. I was going to try one there. Damn it. Hesitation. Yep, there's some more continuation. Okay, we got some support down here at 125 area. All right, so there's the low. I'm going to try a little long right here. I'll take a small one, and I'll take a small loss on it. There you go. Good little long. Took out the London lows right there. So let's see what she's going to do now. Maybe they pump it back up now. Oh, we're down 100. I didn't realize that. Ooh. Okay. Jason, you still long? Okay. Okay, so we took out the London lows. Let's see what she does now. See if she's going to hold here or not. Took out the lows just by a couple ticks. I'll try a short here, just a little stop. Probably around 41. See if we just get a continuation down. I hate shortening the hole, but I'd like to see it pick it up at 25. Come on. That's where I got some support at 25 down to, well, 98 it looks like. See if we can get a quick 10 here. No. Still like that. I'll just give it a little more room. Oh, you fucker. Nope, wouldn't let me out. We took a little small win. Oh, you sucker fish. All right, they're going to push it down. We're into this support area. I think this was based on the 15-minute. You see we hit it a couple times right down here. We hit it here, bounced. We might take it a little bit further this time. See if I can slowly claw my way back. Just below 22,135. Well, we swept below that. That's also Bull's last stand, 22,122. So if we look at here, we actually came back up on the 1 minute, retested it, and then dropped down through. Oh, you sucker. All right, took out both of those, man, just wiped right through them. See if we hold here. We had a prior support here, turned resistance, turned back to support. If I look on the 15, it goes back quite a ways. But it looks like we're just going to take all that out. Gosh darn it. Took out yesterday's low at 21,118. Coming down to the next one. Boy, they are not stopping. That was a quick 80 points. Son of a gun. Okay, so then that push at 936, that push up to get in at 194 was the magic number. Right here, that little flag. Yeah. All right, we came down to another support area. We're bouncing on this one. Okay, we got 30 seconds for the 5. 15 still has 5 minutes. We'll see what he's going to do. Yup. Okay, probably could have taken that at 61 there. Let me check her out. So we got a new 5 minute. Support's trying to hold there. 76. Darn it. Wait and see if we can get a move up. Unless this is going to be just one of those little flat, but we won't know until after it happens. Yep, that's what happens. Okay, so I'm just holding on. Not much else I can do, I guess. I got a minute 47 on the 15, and the same on this monster 15 minute. Pretty much took out all of yesterday on one candle. So our next area, I think, for support, probably going to be right in here based on the 15 minute. I might even have to go to the hour chart, say, well, we hit that one. Yeah, the next one would be about 889. Yep, 890. So maybe that's where we're heading. No bounce, I mean, very little. We got this little guy here on the 1 minute. That's what I was looking at, and I was just thinking, oh, take that trade. But I was a little hesitant. A little scared. Maybe even. And there's no room for scared money. Don't make no money. So 59, it's still been in there for 50. Would have been a good trade. All right, we broke down below bear target 2 at 40.75, right about there. We're down 240 points now in NASDAQ. And I guess I just sit and wait for the trade. Yeah. Oh, so we got a new 15. There's the short right there. Oh, dude, damn it. Why are you playing with the TV? Actually, I can still take that. I think. Oh. Tried to move out of the way, couldn't do it, but picked up another 200, so not bad. Much rather have a little bit more than that.
Wow, look at that. I'm just...
Not much you can do. Alright, we're slowly getting back. Maybe I can get a move here now on the 1 minute, get a little move up. If not, I might just take another try to get another 10-pointer here. There we go. All right, almost got her back. Slowly grinding her way. I need one more of those. All right, we're getting around 10 o'clock. Maybe the 10 o'clock bounce is coming. It's something to be thinking about. Right? 10 o'clock reversal. Down 270. I don't know about a big reversal, but you never know. We could get some, Trump comes out and tweets, says something, whatever. We bam, bam, we're back up in the green. I don't know about that, but all right. I need one more, maybe two. See what we can get. 15-minute, what are you doing? You're brand new, so. Wow. How much I can do with that. How much I can do with that. Oh, come on now. Once again, the opening range, the ORB delivered again. Son of a gun. What's that? 164 to 169, a 5-pointer. You could have just taken it there, whatever, even on this candle or this candle or this candle, and you could have just sat there, 10-point stop, and you would have made it no problem. Son of a gun. And rode her down. No reason to get out until maybe now. It hasn't even been able to break a 5 EMA. This will be the first candle. So let's see what happens here. Now we're trying to break a 9 EMA on a 1-minute chart. There you go. See if we can get that 10 o'clock reversal, baby. Let's go. All right, 50 seconds left on the 5-minute. We're getting a nice little potential hammer so far. I like it. Right? And then take the long if we move out above that. So above, right now it's 27, but it may go higher. Move out above that and you could probably take that. Okay, we got to 25 seconds. I'm going to just leave that there so I can... Actually, I can go back to the 1 minute here. Okay, 15 seconds. Pretty decent looking hammer on the 5-minute. Ooh, my bot went long at 25. Good bot. Came back up to that resistance or support area, and it's kind of holding there. Wow, 25. I would have liked to have been in there. What's this, 30? Yeah, I can't get in yet. But that 37 on the 5-minute candle was a good entry. You could have got 10 points already. That's what it gave you. 37 to 50, 13 points. Okay, let's see if we can come down to about 25. Okay, I'd like to hold up here a little bit. Maybe consolidate just in the 25 area to 25 to 45. That would be cool to do that for like 1 or 2 minutes. Come on. I don't want 31 to be that entry. Come on down. Yeah, I'd like to catch it right in there around 29. Maybe even, 26 would even be better. Actually, I'm going to get out of the way here. We're down 220, so we got to remember that the play is to the downside, not necessarily to the upside. Okay, so we're getting our little consolidation, but I don't want it to be a, like a freaking big move down. I mean, obviously, if we're going to go long here, the 61.8 is 988. So if we come down, I actually don't want it to come down that much either to stay bullish, if it's going to be a bullish. Okay, so there's 13. Let's see if we can come down to 200. 200 is 50%. It's exactly what I wanted. Now the question is, is this going to be a counter trend trade? I mean, obviously we're going down, so I'm going to keep it up there at 30. It's a little high for me. Yeah, we're still red, so I should probably not be thinking longs, and I should just be thinking shorts all the way. The money's in the shorts. But we're going down really slowly, so it makes me think there's a little bit of support here. So what I'll do now is I think for me to take a long, obviously we're going to have to come back up above this. The short was here, right? But we're kind of holding there, which, okay, I like that. All right, so we almost came down to the 61.8 at 88. We came down to 92.50. So again, just about what I wanted. Now the question is, are we going to go long or not? See that? Just about hit that 988. So I'm going to put my buy in, because I would like to get it as low as possible, obviously. But I really don't want to be triggered unless we're going to go up. So I'll try to keep her out of the way. Could very well be. Okay. So we're staying above 200, which I like. We're going to drop it now. $10 reversal might not be such a 10 o'clock reversal. They're trying to push it up. Maybe they're just trying to come up there and get me. Because it's all about my one single contract, right? I mean, hey, that's the one they want. Right, I'm going to drop that baby right there. If we come up, I'm going to try to take her long. In fact, I can probably go a little bit thing. That could be just coming down to retest that trend line, or we're going to bust out lower. One of the two. I'll bring her down to 12. But right now, everything's pointing down. Down, 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 down. So I got to be a little careful. I want to go with the trend, not against the trend. This could have just been a retest of support and then drop down. So I think if we drop down now about below 95, this could be a short too. In fact, I'm going to just go ahead and set there. Almost got taken. See if we come up. Come on, baby. Push it up. There we go. All right. Moved into the green. It's a good sign. I think that long was good. Probably could have stayed in a little bit longer, but since I was down, I'm happy just to be green. Yeah, now it's going to be a good move up. I think right around 17 was probably not a bad entry. But I'm going to try to take it here in a second. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam. There was a buy. Right around 38. Let's see what happens here. Come on down first. Let's see if we can get in right around 21 now. Next candle, actually. All right, so we came down. Here's exactly what we did. We came down from this high to the low, came down to the 50% and held. Even though we got close to the 61.8, we held the 50. Now we're going to move up. Well, potentially move up for a little bit. I need a close of this 1 minute gap here would be pretty sweet. That would put us back around 21. So if I can get that gap to close, then I'll take another long right here. Right here. And this one here, as long as we stay, obviously, you know, if I get taken out or something. Okay, so we got a new 5 minute. May not get that opportunity. That 5 minute blows up here. That might have been it. First target on the bot hit. Damn you. You're just too good. Oh, that's a 30 second. That's why. I need to be out of that. Yep, that was a good long. It was a good call. Probably should have just stayed in there. That's all right, though. Okay, you got your first fill at 48. See if they hold that. Off that drop. Okay, we did the 38.2, came up and hit it. came down 50% of that, took off, and c'est la vie. We might just be on our way. 48 would have been a good fill. Okay, so next item is 22081 and then 22112. What was that? 08, I think was the first one, right? Actually, I'll play it from here. Probably be a better play. There you go. Well, technically, no. It's right here. There you go. So 38.2, reject, and now we're pumping up. So 82, and then 113. We didn't fill this. This is where I wanted to get in. So I'm going to leave him here. Came up to 82. Right on the money. I'm guessing we go through that. That's the 50%. But if we drop that trend line, the short could be on. It could just been a little dead cat. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this guy because I don't think I need him anymore. I'm going to get rid of this guy because we ran through that one. And I'm going to leave everything else. So what do you know? Okay, get ready for a new 5 minute. Let's look at the 15s real quick. And they got 10 minutes to go, so they got a lot of room to keep going. But also a lot of room to keep coming down, too. So 5 minutes looking pretty strong. That was a nice candle. I'm guessing if we break 86, you can take that up to 18. Yeah, we're at 50%. We're trying to hold there. My guess is if you break through that 5 minute candle at 86, we can go to 112. That's the number. I'm going to try just a little guy. Okay, just a little scalper. So is it 112? Yeah, 112. All right, so let's go back to the 1 minute here. So 112, 112.25, right there. And then 134 probably is the main one. $134.25. Those would be the two areas that I would look for something to happen there. See if we can come back to 181, or I'm sorry, 81, get a retest. I'd probably take that 81 too, wouldn't I? Yep. There you go. Oh, where are you going? Down to 171, which is the 9 EMA. I'm going to play that with a small stop if I can get in here. Actually, I'm just going to wait on that. See what you're going to do. So we got a new, well, no, not a new 5 minute. So right now, bear's last stand. Oh, bear's target 1. Sorry. That's what we came down to hit. The 15, like I said, we had a long ways to go up, but we have a long ways to go down. So still got 5 minutes on that. So we could do a lot of things. I'll be watching this candle close in 50 seconds. Maybe he'll tell me what he's going to do. And other than that, I think it's kind of telling you right there. So I think what you got is something like this. If you cross that, then I think we go up to the 61.8. And if you don't, then we continue on down. I'd even go as far as to say, if you did something like this, short and long. All right, trying to move back above 81 to 50%. I don't know if they do that. Okay, you got 5 minutes. Didn't really tell me anything. So, other than potentially we've got a long here. I still like the longs. I won't give this one much leeway at all. In fact, as soon as he enters in, I'll put a stop probably 3 points. He either goes or he doesn't. Came down to that 975. Come on, push up. Nope. That's one of those either goes or doesn't. Okay, I still kind of like the longs. 5 minutes, still looking a little perky. What You got to be in it to catch it. Yeah. Come on, baby, get up there. Don't come down, damn you. All right, just kind of a little choppy here. What's the top there? 102. I think one of these is going to go, probably this one. It's just sloppy in here. I still like to move up to 112. Just sloppy. I don't really have any triggers. My trigger right now is a short below 75, a long above, looks like 92. See which way they're going to go. Looks like the long. And you get another push above 03, it looks like. Come on back down first. Let's come down to 92. $93. Perfect. Damn it. Come on, 110. Fire on up. Push it. No. Picked up some 532 puts, Qs. And I'm going to get out of them real quick too. Come on, baby, drop it on down. right. Just kind of not doing much. We got two ways here we can go, just like before, and it looks like we're taking the upper play. Right now, most things 4 out of 5 are pointing down. We got one up. I wouldn't be surprised to come up here and tag this guy first. 112.25. Or even this guy. Let's see, what did he do this morning? Got him there. Just waiting. My hesitation is I'm, obviously nothing's for sure. I mean, what does that look like? I mean, right now we're holding the 50% based on session to session. So, I mean, there's no incentive right now for me to go short or long. Right? More times than not, this is where we hang out 50%. If we had a little more movement, I mean, I'm red. My system says red, so go short. But man, there's just not much going on. This is the time you get whacked out, right? They just chop you to death. So I don't really want to get chopped. I mean, I could take a short up here at 73. I would probably feel a little comfortable with. I don't know if we're going to get back. I think I just missed my opportunity right there. Back up to 71. Entry 77. Break down below 56. Yeah. I think I'd rather be up to the upside than I would be on this downside here. Damn it. Ah, you turd. Yep, breaking that 15-minute was the play. Right there, 53. All right, we're coming down to fill this gap, this 1 minute gap back here when I just stretched out. Probably a little bit high. Needs to be something like that. Okay, 47. If we move back up to 47, I would take that. Got a breaking news. Trump is set to sign an executive order tonight terminating any and all federal taxpayer benefits for undocumented immigrants. Yeah, a little too close. Okay, fill that 1 minute gap. No. Still down 230. Everything's pointing down. Place for a bounce, if we're going to bounce, would be right here or around 97. So 97, we came down to 01. See if this candle can come on down. 70 cents now. Damn. Came down to 22. Let's see. Holding there. That's not the best little reversal. I guess as we come back down. Well, these are 1 minute charts, so let me go to a 5 minute, see what the 5 minute looks like. There we go. Alright. There we go. IB way down here. No IB trades today, probably. Alright, something like that. We got 43 seconds. Let's see where this guy closes at. If he closes below 10, I got to believe 97 is definitely in the cards, if not 84. So I could actually probably play this to my advantage. He's at 11, 12, 14 seconds left. I don't want to get whipped down there either. 10, 12, 5. They're going to push it down. One more time. Nope. Held it up. I'm still going to go there. I'd like to see him come up here and close this out 23. Probably around 18, 17, 18. That would be a great short area for me. There's 17, so I'll move this guy up. 16, there's 21, 23 be the 5 minute area. I'm going to lose 5 points there, damn it. See if we can close that gap. Yep, close that gap and then some. Ooh. So now I don't know if I want it. He's went a little bit too high for me. I would probably take it right here if he comes down. Come on, baby, push it down. See if we can get down there to 200 or 22,000 and break that to 97. Come on, get on down there. Don't come back. You don't need nothing back up here. Come on, give me the last 5 points. Nope. Take me out. Darn you. And if I would have stayed at break even, I'm probably going to get what I wanted to get. Trying to keep my win streak going. I'm on since last Thursday. So today's 5 days. This is going to be the smallest of them, I think. Yep, there's my number. Darn it. $50 lashes with a wet noodle. That's what we need. I think I was in the Navy, and some guy used to always say that, not me, to me, but he used to always say that to people. Okay, here's your last support right here, right now. 93, 94 area. Just cleaning my glasses. All right. If that 94 don't hold, it held. Not looking so good. It dropped back below 74 now. Could probably pick up a few points there. A move back up to 99.50 might be a good entry for the short. But looks like they might try to hold her here. Buyer stepping in. Somebody's stepping in. Oh yeah. You get rid of that baby. All right, it moved back up above 30, and you can get a little punch in the gut if you're short. Got to get above 30. You got 4 minutes left on this 5 minute. If we bust up there, that might mean the tide has changed. But let's see. 1 minute gap fill down at 03 for the long. Above 30. Just trying. $29.75. Wow, reject here and a move back below 200 or 22,000 would not be so nice. That's a big number, 22,000. The bears recaptured that. What are you thinking there, Gary? All right, we closed this guy out, so I'm going to take him out. We did everything here we were supposed to do. So now I flip this back around really quickly and say, well, what's this going to do? Okay, so big numbers to watch out for is what we just hit, 05 or 25. You could get a move down, maybe even to 990. If we come down 990, I think we go down further, but it could hold here. But what you want to see is like a a move like this, like that, like this, and then like that if we're going to go up. But I don't know, we're down 239, so it's not looking so good. I think we hold here, barring news. Oh. Had 25 of those 532 puts. I didn't hold them. They got up to 70. I got in at 35, 37. Darn it. All right. I think if we move back above 30, we could cruise on up. Then 30, 41 would be a hit, and 56. It's looking like they want to go that way, but you never know. Oh, no. No, all you gotta do is look at the hour chart, right? So this morning I had put on here something like this, right? And something like this, because I wanted to line up these guys, right? And where did we come to? We bounced. We bounced two places. We're at this trend line, but also at the 4-hour buy gap. So this buy gap here might not have been tested. Well, it hadn't been tested. So we came down and they ate it up. And now what are we doing? We're launching up. So we got above 30 there, above that 5-minute candle. That was a good play. Could have picked up 10 points by now. Could have probably put that on all my charts. Oh, I can't do that. Can't do that. I'll just leave that there for that chart. Yeah. I think we go up now. So we're hitting the 50% here line. They might do a little reject here, play around a little bit. Come on up here, hit 57, probably 67. And then we'll see what they want to do. There's that little 1-minute gap. So that 50% was also bear target 2, right here. Isn't that interesting? Yes, it is. I'd like to see this gap filled here. Then a push up. Come on down to 21. That's the number I need. want to see that. Oh, you sucker. Gonna leave some gaps behind when you make a move up. Oh, you sucker. I can't get in now. Yeah, my entry was 17. Should have been 17. We moved above, came down, retested, blasted off. Urgh. So this should have been my play right here. Right here. Okay, so we got to remember we're in a down move. Our 1 minute weighted is weighting down. So we haven't hit the 1 minute weighted for quite a while, right? So it's up here. Good chance there's a rejection right here. Just saying. It's either going to be a rejection or going to blast right through it. Don't tell me that's your rejection. Come on. You could at least come up and tapped it. Oh. Sucker fish. Come on, one time, reject. A little more. I need a little more than that. 64. Come on, give me 54. Oh, should have been out. I'm going to drop out here. So we blasted up through. Let's see if it holds it. Would be great to get a close above and then a drop down below. There's a move above and a move below. Yeah, I don't like the 5 minute. 3 minutes left. We came up to the 70.2. We did hit it. But I think we probably blast on up this time. Something you got to watch out for. So I'm going to look for, I'll tell you what I'm looking for right now. But you got to watch for that guy. So now what I'm going to do is I got to wait for a move back down here. Let me get rid of that sell, I think. I'll keep an eye on this first, because this might be our little move. We can still go higher, but I wouldn't mind seeing a drop below that. 1 minute weighted. And usually I call this the, what is it called? The 1 minute 40 pointer. Because a lot of times you can get a 40-point drop off that. But this move is a little strong, so I don't know if we're going to get that. I don't know what to do, All right, 47 seconds left on this 5 minute. And you can see the 5 minute, well, you can't see it anymore, but we actually came up, and this is about the 70.2 right in here. So we came up and wicked that, so there's a good chance now we're done with this move up and we're going to come down. So I'll try a little short here. Even though it's a strong move, it's probably not going to work, but we'll give it a shot. And my optimal entry would be about 61. What's these guys saying? Up, down, down. So kind of somewhat mixed. There we go. See if we can get some momentum now to the downside. I'm shooting for about, this is only shooting for 28 points. I'd take that if I could get it. I'll protect a little bit now. Actually right about there. According to my play, optimal entry would have been about 61. And I'll go ahead and take this right here. If I can get it out. Come on. Oh, it's good enough. Okay. But optimal entry would be about 31 down to this guy. And then 40, if we got it, would be right below him. I call it the 1 minute 40. 1 minute 40 pointer. Called out in real time. Played partially. If you've had the 3 months that I've had, hey, I'm taking what I can get today. Keep my 5-day win streak alive. Because I can come back and fight tomorrow. Been a horrible 3 months for me. Horrible. But it's okay. Those are days behind me. I'm back in the back. I can make a move, but still do this. Here we go. I'll stop if we get to the 40 pointer right around here. Optimal entry was 61 or 50, maybe, yeah, 61 on my 1 minute chart. That's what I got. So that's 40 right there. See if we can get it. I mean, who cares? So far you got 31. I took profit already. It'd be nice to come down and grab that 40, close that gap, but she might hold the support right here. Oh, dang it. Oh. Oh. Oh, 80% off on Apex. Extended till March 4th. I didn't see that. They reset everything too. Damn you. Oh, almost got to the 40 pointer. Let me see. There we go. Damn it, I gotta reset that. I just reset it. All right, there we go. There we go. Come on, baby, get that 40 points. Michael, you taking all 40 of these? That's why I got out, because I had to make sure you had some. Michael probably took 4 contracts. Turned that 40 into about 160. We're about 36 now. I think that's probably good enough. I'm done for the day. Oh, there you go. Nice. Nicely done. Yep. Beautiful. It is a nice, magical little play. All right. Something you guys can hopefully take with you. All right, I'm done for the day. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get back on track. Trying to put those last 3 months behind me and move forward. So we will see you guys tomorrow, Friday.
Dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. Nasdaq dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Fight, price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line. Charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. Nasdaq futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb.